This is TIG welding or argon welding. The tungsten electrode creates a stable arc, and the argon gas shields the molten metal from oxygen so the weld stays clean and strong. TIG is used for stainless steel pipes because it gives the welder full control over heat, penetration, and bead shape. The process is slower, but the results are more accurate and consistent. Pipe welding requires uniform control around the full 360 degrees of the pipe. Heat too high causes warping or burn through. Heat too low gives weak fusion. Incorrect filler amount leads to either an oversized bead or a brittle joint. TIG demands precise hand coordination. Torch angle, arc length, travel speed, and filler feed must stay consistent. That's why TIG is chosen for high-pressure piping, sanitary systems, and applications where weld integrity is critical. In simple terms, TIG welding produces cleaner, stronger, and more reliable welds, and that's why it's trusted for work like this.